What's going on, cuz? We're right back with another video. Actually, what we got?
This piece of shit.
Yeah, whoever this customer is, dude, it's fucking terrible, you know? Timing job. We gotta replace the rollers and lifters. This guy, I don't know, man. I don't know who this guy is. They sure looks familiar, but I don't know who it is. But well, we're gonna get it done. So far, we got the fan out. Well, he got the fan out. I've been working.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, we're gonna need a new hose. Do you think AutoZone got that?
Yeah.
Bet. If not, then I'll get it at Ford. But
I can make it on.
make our own. Sheesh, DIY. Customs, you know. Actual customs right here. We got the water pump out. The alternator is out. All the pulleys are right here. We're about to take out the power steering pump out. What else? Battery's gone. Most of the wires out of the way. The cover is off, but we just put it back on. Just to have it there. All the parts in the back of the truck. I wasn't playing when I bought all the parts. This is the oil pump. This is all the parts for the timing and some extra stuff. Like all my change the oil pan gasket as well. That's Axel had that on standby. That's a water pump. We're gonna replace that too. This is the power steering pump with the reservoir. So we're changing out everything. Like pretty much all the three pumps that's there. Oil pump, water pump, power steering pump. I don't know any other pumps, but we're changing everything out. All the junk's in here. You already know. I want my truck running right. So I took it to the best man right here. Axel, he's gonna be the main one doing all this. And I'll help out here and there because I'm not skilled enough. All right, guys, we got the timing cover off. We're inspecting everything. We're gonna be replacing, you know, the roller followers and the lifter. It's under this, you know, that little titty right there. It looks like it. Yeah, we're gonna be replacing those. We're gonna replace everything on the timing. We're gonna replace this. We need some new hoses. We need a new hose for that. The power steering hose. This one right here. We cut it. We're gonna be replacing the oil pump down there too. Water pump. Our boy Axel certified. Ain't that right?
UTI certified.
UTI certified.
Sir.
So far, the cams look good. Because I heard if they're damaged, I got to replace them too. But I'm not an expert, but they all feel smooth. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not. But I'm just going to go with that's a good thing. So hopefully I don't got to replace any of them. Because I don't got that kind of money right now. Johnny, where you going, buddy? You just got here. Huh? Why you leaving? Why are you leaving, Johnny?
I gotta go.
Oh, fuck you then. Okay, Johnny, come back. All right, guys, new day. Axel, what we got going on?
We're working on OBS.
Working on the OBS. We're not working on the truck right now because we're waiting for a tool. They said it would get here at 10 o'clock. And it ain't here yet. Amazon lied to us. I don't know if I showed you on the other day, but that hole was black. It's in better condition now. But I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna get it painted. I'm gonna paint it the same as the valve covers. Still clean it out. There's still more gunk in there. I know this is pretty much clean. I mean, I can go over it, but I'm gonna go over it with sandpaper. Get it down to like where I can't see none. So I'm gonna try as much as I can. I want to try to clean it, like at least like the top part of it, like the top part, as much, because I feel like that's the main part you're gonna see the most when you open up the engine bay. So let's get to it. Let's get it. All right, guys, everybody on the vlog. Axel, where's half of the engine?
I don't even know, bro. I sold it.
You sold it, bro. It's gone. We're still waiting for the tool. but we ain't getting that till like later today on the truck. Up there in the timing cover, I got it all cleaned up. I did the first coat of primer on it. It's getting there, you know. It's first coat. We need to do everything else, but wait 10 minutes, put next coat. 10 minutes after that, next coat. Then I can do color, but I don't think I'm gonna do the color today because I have to go do something in a little bit. So I'm gonna take it home with me when it's dry. Then I'm gonna finish it up in my house, in my garage. Hopefully, I'm gonna get some cardboard too, so I won't paint all over my wall. All right, guys, welcome back. We're in my house, my garage, working on the timing cover. Right there. We're gonna paint it. I got the color, aluminum. Yeah, it's gonna look like exactly like the valve covers. So that's the plan. Right now it's primered. I think it looks good so far, but we have to wait and see till we actually color it and put the clear coat. So it's the plan. Kind of miss my truck being here. I got the Lincoln there. So far the Lincoln's been enjoying being in the garage. It likes it a lot. So yeah, but let's get to it. I'm gonna start painting right now. All right, cuz I finished up all the paint. Here it is. Sheesh. I think it looks good. There's like little metal pieces. That's like actual metal, but you know, that's gonna take a long time to take off. So I was like, hell no. But I think it looks good. It's in my garage now. I'm about to head out. Go spend Easter with the fam. They already left to the park. I was like, I need to finish this first. I want this done. But it's done now. Now it's just gonna sit in here and dry until we put it back on into the truck. I still have some leftover paint. So I think I'm gonna find some other stuff that I can paint. Might as well use all the bottle and use the whole thing. So whatever I can find and paint it too. So yeah. See you when we're working on the truck again. All right, guys, welcome back to the vlog. Axe already got all this out. All this. Look at that. Sheesh. So far, like I said, the cams look good. All these look good as well, because they're supposed to be rock solid. You're not supposed to squish them. So I don't know where the ticking was coming from. Maybe it's one of these, but they all feel good. None of the rollers dropped, so I think we're chilling. But you know, might as well get everything done. I want everything perfect. I want everything brand new. Hopefully this should fix the timing. Not actually, it should. I don't know. I want to hope it should, because this is where all the ticking comes from with these 5-Ford Tritons. That's what the legendary Ford Tech Maco Loco, something like that, says. He's the legendary genius. So yeah, he's trying to clean around it where the gasket goes and stuff, but he wants a better compressor because it dies out. So that's what we're gonna go do. Let's head out. All right, guys, we had the air compressor. We bought this today. Psych. Hell no, we got something better. Mama Lone's still on the lift. Well, not on the lift, but on jack stands. Axel, what is that? What is this?
It's called Life Debt.
Life Debt. That's insane. Here's the box, guys. We want that. Where's the main part? That high performance. Yes, sir, because we're all about performance here at Project Torque.
Oh, no.
Freddie, sponsor us. Sponsor.
We need to drop merch.
Merch is coming soon, guys. Get tuned. If you buy merch soon, we're giving away the red F-150 right here.
No. We're giving away that red air compressor back.
Oh, we're giving away the red air compressor that's back there, guys. Buy a t-shirt now. So we're gonna do this so we can clean the surfaces for the truck. We're taking our sweet time on this. I thought you don't do instructions, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
Heard ya. Sheesh, we up there now. The wheels are on. 4G autos all around. Alright, guys, welcome back to the vlog. Here we are. Jose, tell us what you did with your truck, bruh.
We put on Johnny stocks, his 20s, and removed the step sides.
Oh, let's go look at it.
Go there.
Let's go, guys. Mom alone, we're going to talk about that in a bit. But we're going to look at the main event. Jose got a whole new truck, too. Never seen before. Sheesh. He joined the Ford gang like the rest of us. Tell us about it, buddy.
Piece of shit.
What's in it?
The 4.6.
4.6.
It's a Ford.
It's a Ford. What year?
06.
06. We got new stocks, 20s. There's a Johnny's wheels. Johnny Allen over there. He was here, but then he left. So now let's talk about my mom alone. Axel got 18s for sale. That's fine.
Yeah, nigga.
Oh,
500.
500. Let us know. Let us know.
Put new tires on it.
He's about to put new tires, brand new. Hand cooked. Streets. So you want some burners? Let us know. Let us know down in the comments. Axel put the cams back on. See a little bit of it. Just like that. He put the rollers and the lifters back on. So we chilling. We're almost done. We're about to get there. He cleaned it out. Pretty good.
Bought a 5.0 swap, 10-speed.
5.0. Yes, sir. At this point, might as well. We're still waiting for a little bit more parts.
Check out the old timing chain.
Yeah. I need to get that seal right there, and then we're straight. Still need to get that. But yeah, that's the update. That's what he did so far. All the old stuff right there. All the panels right there, but it's back there because I'm cleaning it. So yeah, that is all. That's the update. All right, guys, welcome back to the vlog. Axel, what did we just do?
We removed the step sides.
The step sides. About time. Now it looks even cleaner. Looks even better. Ain't that right, Axel?
I guess.
He's saying that for the camera, but he was saying like, "Damn, this could go hard," but it was like, it looks better. It looks 10 times better. Yeah, that's what he was saying. But
For sale, 200.
for sale, $200. Let us know. Let us know. It comes with all the hardware too. All right, guys, welcome back. Today's a new day, and Axel got all the timing done. Look at that. All the lifters are back on, rollers, all the timing is on there. We're pretty much in the process of putting everything back together. But it's a job for tomorrow. All new oil pump as well. Sheesh. So, we're almost there. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. We're almost done. But then my boy Axel over here broke a fuel injector.
Oh, okay. We're gonna stop throwing hands like that.
That's what happened.
Alright, I'll just walk out this job, nigga.
No,
You throw your shit out of here too.
no, buddy, don't do that. Which is okay. It means everything's gonna be A1. We get to fix everything.
This fucking ass.
There it is, the intake. We're gonna be replacing that. Might as well, the whole thing. Screw it. All right, guys, here we are. Actually, just put all the pulleys back on, tensioner, some of the connections back. Oil filter, oil pan on the bottom. What else did we do today? I think that's all we did so far. So we're gonna have to push this back still. And you get the whole new intake with all new fuel injectors. And that should be it, right?
Yeah.
That's it, and then we're done. How was the experience so far, Axel?
Bullshit.
All right, guys, we're back in the vlog. Axel, what got here?
Fucking intake manifold.
The intake manifold. There's the old one. Here's the new one. We're sending it up. We had to grab this from the old one right there. That doesn't come off, but it came with its own little thing. So we're gonna put that on. We also got the new fuel injectors. Also, Axel got a new toolbox. Tell us about it.
$100, bro. Off the lot, bro.
$100 off the lot. He feels like a professional now.
Nigga, I've been a professional.
I heard you, buddy. Now we gotta take all that.
But oil better not fall out, nigga.
I'm
There's oil in this intake for some
Oh.
reason. You heard that?
Yeah. Yup. It's broken, guys. Don't worry, we're getting all the new stuff
Broken like
on.
this truck.
I heard you, buddy. My truck's not broken, dog. It's brand new. Brain spanking new. Sheesh. We're almost done. It's gonna be up and running today. Alright guys. Axel, what did we just do?
We just spent like $300 on fluids.
Fluid, guys. Just fluid. Oh, hell no.
Fuck that.
$250 on coolant. No, that's not even just coolant. It's a bunch of fluid. We got coolant. We got the oil. We got the power steering
That
fluid.
shit add up, motherfucker.
We added up. I'm like, oh, hell no. But whatever we have extra, we're going to return it so I can get some money back. Because I'm broke. All right, we're heading back. Oh, actually, we had to hit up a Tractor Supply.
Tractor Supply.
We gotta find a bolt.
Necesitamos tornillos.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys, we're about to turn it on. First crank.
Record me, bitch. Record that.
All right, I'm recording this. All right, ready? Axel, the day is over. The truck is running. Now, tune in for next episode, guys. We're going to be working on the OBS. Axel, what are we doing?
We're putting the engine out.
We're going to be pulling the engine out.
I don't know what we're putting back in.
We don't know yet. We might put a V12 Lamborghini engine, W16 Bugatti engine. We don't even know. Airplane jet. Heard you. So stay tuned for that. We're going to close out the vlog. It's all done. Anything you got to say left for the viewers at home?
Don't do this at home.
Don't do this at home. All right. The vlog is done. Peace out, everybody.